One evening, the rabbit's family was happily spending time together at home. After dinner, they wanted to watch television. A doctor on TV was explaining that if parents take their children to the dentist from the age of 1 year old, their teeth will grow healthy and strong without problems. The rabbit's mother and father decided that as soon as the rabbit turned 1 year old, they would take him to see Dr. Halgurd. Time passed quickly. The little rabbit became 1 year old. His parents quickly went to visit HDC. They received a very warm welcome. Then, they were taken to the treatment room. The doctor taught the family to brush their son's teeth properly. At the end, the doctor thanked the family for taking such good care of their child's teeth.